Welcome to One Mindset. Today, we're unlocking Chapter 6 of Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, a chapter that reveals one of the most underrated secrets of wealth: imagination, the workshop of the mind. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Napoleon Hill agreed and turned it into a philosophy that helped thousands become millionaires. Napoleon Hill explains two types of imagination. Synthetic imagination. This is where you combine old ideas, concepts, or experiences into new arrangements. For example, improving an existing product or creating a better version of a known business. Creative imagination. This is pure. This is when brand new ideas come from the subconscious, often during moments of deep emotion, inspiration, or silence. It's the source of true innovation. The most successful people know how to use both. They study the world and listen to their inner world. As children, we imagine easily. We dream of flying, exploring, building empires. But as we grow up, society teaches us to be realistic. Hill says, this is a mistake. Most people let their imagination die. They stop creating, they stop believing, and they wonder why their life stays the same.
How to rebuild and use it.
Want to use your imagination like the rich? Start by visualizing your goals every day. Write down ideas, no matter how wild. Meditate, reflect, and give your mind space to create. Surround yourself with books, creativity, and new experiences. Remember, the richest people in the world weren't born with gold.
They imagined gold before they earned it.
Imagination is your superpower. Use it wisely, nurture it daily, and let it be the workshop where your desire becomes reality. This was Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich. If this helped you, subscribe and join the One Mindset journey, because every great success starts in the mind.